Landry.
What, Landry, what did we see yesterday at the fair? What did the horse do? Yeah. Did you like the horse? Was he scary? What did he do? Did he move his head close to you? Yeah. Yeah, he's okay though, isn't he? Did you see the cows? Yeah. Did you pet the cows?
And the sheep?
And the bunny?
And remember the bunnies? The bunnies were cute, weren't they?
What about the horse? Was the horse scary?
Yeah.
Yeah. But he's okay, isn't he? He was nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Enough.
Huh?
Enough. Enough. Enough.
Mouth?
Yeah.
What about your mouth?
Enough, easy.
Layton?
Enough.
Is she laughing?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You want her to sit on your lap?
Yeah.
Okay. Right here? Are you holding her on your lap? Yeah.
Look at you cute girls.
Nice.
Yeah, she made a mess, didn't she?
Bye.
Yeah, so that's why she has a bib on. Horse? What? The horse, he was nice though, wasn't he?
Nice horse. Horses are nice.
It was okay. Yeah.